How to find Revolut SWIFT BIC International Code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Revolut SWIFT BIC International Code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you are making an international transfer to a Revolut bank account, or if someone is transferring you cash to your Revolut bank account in the United Kingdom, you will be asked for a BIC or SWIFT code, along with details like the bank address. However, using traditional banks to send money abroad can be slow and expensive. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Revolut SWIFT code and tap on the very first option, that is wise.com. Wise offers its users faster, cheaper, and secure international money transfers. So scroll down and you will see the SWIFT code along with various other details. Simply tap on the copy button and the code will be copied to your clipboard. You can further go ahead and paste it in Revolut. So this is how you can find Revolut SWIFT BIC International Code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.